Somehow the male is able to dive at just the right angle and speed, so his tail feathers produce the precise frequency that the female is looking for. By showing off his flying skill, he lets her know that he's a good choice for a mate.
This is one big window. One big HD window. This is high definition. One big.
Male hummingbirds use another lure to attract a female. Iridescent feathers. Look at them one way and they're dull, black or brown. But when the light hits them just right, those feathers shimmer.
Are these hummingbirds? Yeah. They're the only birds that can hover.
As usual in the bird world, it's the males that really shine.